pizza.
Sawadee Cap, my orangutan friends, and Puan Kuntai. And we're having a snack attack again today. Got some very interesting crisps, chips as the Americans like to call them. So let's have a look. We have, first up, homey pizza flavour. We have baked spinach and cheese. We have hot and spicy. And as you can see, they're all Lays. That says Lays, that in Thai. Frito-Lay, or Walkers, if you're from the UK. Same. Right, let's just move some of those out of the way. We'll give these a go. And we'll start off with the homey pizza, which is a limited edition. One thing the eagle-eyed amongst you will have noticed is we have pizza and a Christmas tree, and a snowflake. So these are a limited edition kind of Christmas crisp, I guess, which is a bit strange. I'm saying it's a bit strange because Thailand is a Buddhist country and, well, they celebrate New Year and they do all the Christmas thing with Santa and Christmas trees and everything, but it's not really a Christian country and it's a Christian festival. But anyway, enough of that. We want to find out what homey pizza is, what the flavour's like. Now, looking at the packaging, I think these are just normal crisps. The other one that we've got, the baked spinach, I think they're sort of like waffle ridged, or whatever they call them. Anyway, let's get on with these. Get them open. Yeah, that's my energy. So I'm having a smell. I can't smell tomato, but I can smell like cheese, a cheesy smell. And something in the background there that's not particularly pleasant. Yeah. Anyway, that's what they look like. Do they taste like pizza? Well, we're going to find out, aren't we? Get this down the Gregory Peck. Initially, you don't really taste pizza. And then, a couple of chews in, you do actually get a pizza flavour. Try another one. Yep. That characteristic pizza flavour. Not pizza, but pizza flavour that you get with things that are flavoured like pizzas. It does have that. So, there you go. Homey pizza. Not bad. Not sure whether to get them again. Of course I would. Right, oh. Here we go. Sorry, I'm just starting to open it. I'm not put it back on camera. Right, so baked spinach. And then we've got the snowflake there. Limited edition. We've got the baked spinach cartoon. And then a present, Christmas present with the deer antlers on. So they are kind of going for a Christmas vibe, I guess. I think they're going to be around for a while because we're in October now. It's not even Halloween yet. Anyway, I'm not sure what the date is. Just give me a second. What are we on? The 26th. 26th of October. Christmassy snacks in October. Anyway, let's get these open. Yeah, so baked spinach is a thing in Thailand. Quite a lot of restaurants have it. You can get it in 7-Eleven. Let's have a look. So yeah, you can see they've got ridges on. Let's have a smell. Well, they're not as bad as the other ones, but there is a similar kind of cheesy vibe. A bit like a cheesy foot. Cheesy foot flavour. Right, so spinach. Didn't take the other ones out, did I, and show you them? There we are. I think that's the spinach, the green on it. Yeah, anyway, baked spinach is a thing here. Let's give it a go. Wow, they're a lot stronger than the other ones. Yeah. You kind of get a herby taste, which I guess is the spinach, and then a really strong cheese flavour. They're actually quite nice. I'm just going to show you one of the other ones, by the way, the homey pizza, what they look like. In fact, what we'll do is we'll compare them, because this has got a kind of light colour to it. So there's your cheesy spinach, and that is the homey pizza. Okay. Homey pizza again. Yeah, I can taste the pizza now. Yeah, it is quite obvious. The first one I had wasn't that obvious. It was a bit subtle, but now I can taste it. And now the cheesy baked spinach. Okay, yeah, out of the two of them, I think I prefer the baked spinach. Anyway, there we are, that's that. Finally, in the Lay's fries, what am I on about? Thinking of chips, I'm getting me chips and me crisps all mixed up. Yeah, pull yourself together, man. In the crisp, or American chip, reviews, we have Lay's hot and spicy. Are they hot and spicy? That's the question we ask ourselves. Now, some crisps in Thailand actually have dried chili in. I don't think I've reviewed those. Anyway, these are Lay's hot and spicy version, so let's have a look. These are not seasonal. You can buy these any time of the year, I guess. They're not a limited edition or anything. Let's get them open. Oh. Almost exploded. Right, let's have a look. Got a red colour to them, a bit like the homey pizza crisps. Let's have a look. There we go. So it's a spicy powder. I can't see any chilies in there, so we're safe, I think. Right, let's have a smell. Oh, yep, yep, that's chilies. Yep, really strong smell of chili powder. There we are again. So I'll get this down with Gregory and see what it tastes like. Right, so it takes a little while for the chili to kick in, but it has got quite a kick to it. It's kind of a sweet chili flavour, so you get the sweetness first, and then that spicy hot kick comes in on the back of it. So there you go, that's hot and spicy. Would I get these again? Difficult question, really. I'm not that into spicy flavoured crisps. They play havoc with my stomach. But if you like spicy food, you know what? And you like crisps, yeah, why not? They're not bad. Not bad at all. I wouldn't get them again, though. Okay, there you go. So that's the crisps over and done with. Have we got anything else? We have Kit Kat Happy New Year. Now, this is what I was saying. They don't celebrate Christmas as such. They still have all the iconic... sorry about that. It's the chili. It's just got hit me at the back of the, the back of the throat. They excuse me. They still have all the iconic things such as Santa and reindeer and Christmas trees, but they actually celebrate New Year 3 times actually, because they have the Western New Year, Western calendar, then Chinese New Year, and obviously the Buddhist New Year, Songkran, which is a big holiday in Thailand, and that's in April. So yeah, there you are, there it is. Right, anyway, apparently here we've got Kit Kat Santa, we get one of those, and some festive friends, great for the holiday. And again, as a reminder, it's still October. Let's have a look what's inside. If I can open the thing. Oh dear. How do you open it? Hey. There must be a... I'm just... I can't get into it. Look, it's got... I think it'd be a flap or something where you can pull it out like that. Or it only goes to there. Whoops. 49 baht these are, by the way. 7-Eleven. All the snacks today are from 7-Eleven. Right, so there's Santa. Let's see what his friends are in a different compartment. Are you coming out to play? There you go. Completely wrecked the box. Oh, man. Right, so let's have a look. Should we have a look at Santa first? I like Santa. I haven't got my scissors with me at the moment, so I'm just hoping I can get into these things. Here we go. Santa, I'll rescue you. So I'm assuming it's going to have biscuit in it somewhere. There he is, a chocolate Santa. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Santa's about to lose his head. Here we go. Just have a sniff first. Yep, just smells like a Kit Kat. He's got no head. That's interesting. There's very little wafer in there. I think the wafer are kind of little fragments. You can see there like a little nugget of wafer. That's not bad. It's just like a Kit Kat with more chocolate, like the chunky ones you get, I guess. There he goes. Poor Santa. Best before May 2025. Don't think they'll be around that long. Right, so I've got his 2 friends. His festive friends. So I think one's a reindeer and the other one's supposed to be a bear, I think. It's a bit strange actually, you know, on the box you've got Santa's got an electric guitar. The reindeer's got a tambourine and a wonderful black tie. And the bear is wearing a green pullover. Italy. Italian chocolate, I guess. I don't know, can't read Thai. Anyway, let's get him out. Come on, festive friend. What are you? Aha. Gingerbread man. There he is. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm a gingerbread man. Well, I've already got you, man. And you're going to lose your head. Okay, it's the same as Santa. Nice chocolate though. Yep. Made by, do you remember, it's Nestle. Do you remember when it used to be Nestles? When did the name change? I was watching an advert from the 1970s and they were saying Nestles. I thought, yeah, it used to be Nestles. When did it change to Nestle? What's all that about? Who knows? Anyway. See? Got all snowflakes on it, hasn't it? Look. I'm enjoying these. Good job there's only 3. Otherwise it'd be eating them all in one go. Right, what is it? So it's not what it says on the tin, as it's as it say. It's a penguin. Oh, cute little penguin there. What's he got on his feet? Don't know what that is. Can you make it out? I can't. They're nice though. It's like a nice little chocolate gift, I suppose. You could give to somebody, a stocking filler. Anyway, I presume this is going to taste pretty much the same as the others. Yep, no surprise there. I do like the having the little bits of biscuit in there. So it's like mostly chocolate, to be honest. And then you get a little crunchy nugget here and there, so not bad. So there we are. Apart from the hot and spicy, a pre-Christmas snack review from 7-Eleven. Well, I think we'll leave that there. I haven't got anything else. A banana. You all know what bananas are like. I'm not eating that. So, I'd like to say thank you for watching. If you like the content, don't forget to give us a like. And why not subscribe and share with your friends. Get this channel going. Anyway, that's all from me. Adios amigos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.